What's going on, everybody? Gonna go over this trade that I took. It was on a demo account, so I'm not gonna flex, but still a good trade nonetheless. So I'm gonna go over it just for my own personal journal, and if anybody's watching this, be some good content. So let's get into it. So the trade that I took is on the daily here, as you can see. There's this bull bar right here. If I actually go in, it's this entire bullish trade. So I got about 70 pips worth, so it's still a really good trade. But yeah, so I'm gonna start from a top-down analysis. Starting on the weekly time frame, you can see, at least what I saw, is that we're still in this big bullish run. But for right now, we are in a temporary short downtrend here. So going into the daily, or no, on the weekly, I can see I have this zone marked right here. We can see indicated by this big wick right here that there was some strong indication that there was a lot of buying pressure in this area. We can even see that this big bearish candle came in, stopped right here, had a big bullish candle that went up. So there's obviously some good indication that is a good significant level here. Now, even though on the weekly we still are on a big downtrend, I could still catch this move when it enters this level. So yeah, on the daily we can see more clearly that price did come into this at this spot, bounce up, came back down, rejected the same exact area, bounced up, came down, rejected once again, and then plummeted down. So we can kind of see price came back into this area, had some indecision, and then finally broke out of it. So this level does have we can even see multiple times that it is a level where price can basically just create some pretty big impulsive moves here. So coming into I marked an alert here on the H4 hourly chart. We can see eventually price entered into this area, and I was around 15-minute, 30-minute time frames, my entry time frames. I wanted to see some indication of buying pressure. So even though I am entering into this level, I'm not just going to immediately enter a trade just because it's in a key level. I mean, it still could just plummet down and destroy this level. So I wanted to see some kind of indication that we wanted to go bullish from here. So price came into here. It was right here at this candle I entered, and here's why. So when price came in, it bounced up. Now we did have a bullish engulfing right here. Now that's just one reason that I would want to enter the trade. Obviously a good bullish engulfing, but I still want to see more, and still want to wait for some more confirmation, some more indication that price wants to go bullish. So price gave us a bullish engulfing, kind of rallied up here a little bit, came down, and then this big bearish candle we can see had no wick to the bottom, but then that next candle had a big wick to the bottom and then closed bullish with almost no wick at top. So to me, this is a good indication that even though we have a bullish engulfing right here, now we have another almost, it's not really bullish engulfing, but it's still like it's more of a neutral, because we can see that price pretty much did this, and then the bullish candle like pretty much it's like neutral. It came down, closed here, and then came up and almost closed the same spot. So it's like neutral to me. So that tells me that buyers are really trying their hardest not to have sellers take their positions and go down. I don't know if that really makes sense. The way I worded that was kind of stupid, but it's just neutral. So that's how I see it. So I know that sellers are really trying to push price down, but buyers are not trying to let them to do that. So with this being almost like a neutral pattern here, I guess that's the way you call it. I don't know. I'm like stupid. I don't know, but I took the position there, and then my first TP was I wanted to TP at some TP. What? I wanted to take profit at some significant areas. This being one, because there is some good supply here. Good supply? I don't know. I'm weird. There is some strong indication of supply. And then that was TP1, and then TP2 was up here, which we just smashed. So about 5.5 times our risk. So yeah, it was a good trade. It was a demo trade. I'm trying to get more. I'm seeing more consistency now in my trades. So pretty soon here, I'm gonna start a live account. I'm gonna go with one of those funded FTMO accounts. But yeah, it was a good trade nonetheless. Thought I'd share it. for myself and if anybody's watching. But yeah, it's a pretty good trade that we caught here, or I caught here. Yeah. So